Hey friends, TUXX here. I've been getting requests for information about cases for DAPs, so I'm just making a couple quick videos here. These will be real short, but just give you a few ideas of how to protect your DAP. This is a yellow case, which I got just a while back. There's a whole video on this you can check out. I love the look of the Sony NWA-306 in this yellow case. It really gives me a vibe of, like, you know, Sony Sportsters and Walkmans of the 90s, that kind of thing. And I had a person remind me that you can get a case that kind of matches with the yellow stripe. So I went ahead and ordered one of these. Let's go ahead and open this up here. These aren't real expensive, and I will have a link for you right below, so be sure and check it out. But this is a small little case with a cool little yellow stripe that I think will be perfect to actually highlight. And the great thing about this case actually is it does have not only a spot for keeping your DAP, and it does have a little elastic here to keep it nice. As you can see, you have a little side pocket over here. You could actually put like earbuds or headphones in or something too. So very cool. This keeps everything nice and safe. You can zip it up, and then you can see from here, you could easily like hang this from a backpack or from some kind of like clip or something, which is very cool. It makes it very portable, you know, but definitely digging the look of this, opening up this yellow case here to reveal the yellow, like lots of yellow going on here, of my Sony NWA-306, okay? So anyway, guys, that's all I got for you guys. I just wanted to show you this real quick. Protect your DAPs. My Sony NWA-306 does have a small scratch on the screen. I don't know if you can see that there. Just a teeny scratch. So I'm really trying to work hard to protect all of my DAPs and keep them super nice. But I think this case is a great way to go. It's high impact nylon. It's definitely going to keep it nice, keep it from getting scratched up, and keep everything looking good, and keep it color coordinated at that, okay? Again, I will have a link for you right below, so be sure and click that link to get yours, okay? If you have a DAP that you're interested in cases for or in ideas, let me know in the comments below, or just shoot me an email to tuxtoys@gmail.com, okay? All right, friends, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Click the link.